Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you felt fabric crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Viewers, friends, I will share you some simple and beautiful felt crafts ideas. Felt fabric is very soft and easy to use. It is perfect for painting in kids' craft workshop. You do not many tools. You only need felt fabric, scissors, needle, thread, and glue. First idea is a felt flower. Cut small flower shapes from colorful felt. You can use red, pink, yellow, or purple color. Glue the layer together and add a small beads in the center. These flowers look beautiful on hair clip, bags, and handbags. Second idea is felt keychains. Cut simple shapes like heart, star, or animals. Bring them each and fill a little cotton inside. Now attach a keyring. Your cute felt keychain is ready. Third idea is felt bookmark. Bookmarks are very easy to make. Cut long rectangle piece of felt to decorate them with small flower, heart, and star. These bookmarks are perfect for books and gifts. Fourth idea is a felt coaster. Cut round or square shapes from thin felt fabric. You can decorate them with embroidery or small felt shapes. This coaster perfect your table and look very stylish. Another lovely idea is felt toys for kids. And their friends. Felt craft is fun and relaxing. You can create many beautiful things with simple material. I hope you like this felt fabric crafts ideas. Try them at home and enjoy making creative project. Thank you so much for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and viewers. Thanks for watching my videos.